Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
The Mini Countryman Plug-in Hybrid uses an approximately 6 kWh battery and delivers around 26 miles of electric range under normal conditions. You will find the charging port on the right rear quarter, and the cabin dash displays state of charge and charging status. Charging uses standard level 120V household power or level 240V AC charging. The onboard charger accepts about 6 kW. There is no high-voltage DC fast charging support, so plan charging sessions accordingly based on daily driving needs. At home, start by parking with the vehicle off, open the charging flap, and plug the provided cable into the port until the connector locks. If you use a 120V outlet level, one charging will take roughly 12 to 16 hours to fully charge from empty. That works for overnight top-ups. Installing a 240V level 2 charger rated near 6 kW reduces full charge time to about 2 to 3 hours. Always confirm the dash charging icons and set delayed charging to run during cheaper off-peak hours. When away from home, use public AC chargers. The Mini Countryman Plug-in Hybrid is not designed for high-power DC fast charging, so avoid DC fast stations. For everyday battery health, aim to charge to about 80 to 90% and reserve full 100% charges for long trips when extra range is essential. Precondition the cabin and set charging to finish right before departure to preserve range in cold weather. Monitor charging logs, keep the connector clean, and perform regular 12-month electrical check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.